In 2026, we see a flood of new AI startups. Most will fail within a few years. Meanwhile, old supply chain companies, some over a century old, keep operating quietly and steadily. Why do we ignore the old and chase the new? It's human nature. We confuse new with better. We think modern tech always means permanent change, but history shows that is rarely true. There is a better way to predict what will last. It's called the Lindy Effect. It says that the future life expectancy of a non-perishable thing is proportional to its current age. It's not about when something was born. It's about how long it has survived. The math is simple. For every additional year something exists, its projected remaining lifespan doubles. A local bakery that has been open for 40 years is statistically more likely to survive the next decade than a tech unicorn founded last year. Time is a filter. It removes what is fragile. A business that has survived for decades has passed countless stress tests, economic crashes, supply issues, and changing customer habits. That is data you cannot get from a 5-year-old company. We see a shift away from short-term efficiency. The 2020s have shown us the risk of just-in-time manufacturing. Now, we are moving back to just-in-case regional models. These are older, time-tested logistics that refuse to break under pressure. Lindy-compatible businesses don't optimize for next quarter's margin. They optimize for redundancy. They avoid ruinous risks. They value a proven track record over high-leverage growth hacks that are unproven and fragile. So how do you apply this? Audit your business model. Ask, which parts of our strategy are timeless? Which parts are dangerously experimental? Be honest. It's a way to stress test your own plan. Look at what many call antiquated. Face-to-face networking, physical assets. These methods are outlasting digital-only engagement strategies. They are harder to copy, and they build real relationships and tangible value. This doesn't mean you reject all new tools. You can integrate modern tech, but do it into a Lindy framework. Use new tools to support your core, but don't let them compromise your structural integrity. The goal is to shift your mindset. Stop thinking about surviving the next quarter. Start thinking about dominating the next 50 years. This is a competitive advantage. Imagine being the last player standing. In a market saturated with fleeting competitors, your longevity becomes your strongest asset. You are the safe bet for partners, employees, and clients. The ultimate data point for predicting your future success isn't a complex algorithm. It's time-tested wisdom. Prioritize it. Use it as your guide. Start building your business for the next century today. Please like, share, and subscribe.